Hello and welcome to Website Speedy tutorial on how to fix FID issues. Website Speedy is a DIY instant core web vital optimization tool built to identify and optimize first input delay or FID issue and boost website speed and performance without the need of a developer. Our tool works for all major platforms, and even if you have a custom website, you can still use it. Enter URL and click on Improv My CUV Now button to get started, and fill in the sign-up form. Website Speedy comes up with 4 plans. You can choose one according to your website traffic. Here I am demonstrating you by selecting our forever free plan. Website Speedy checks the current core web vital score of your website using Google Page Speed Insights API. In the dashboard, you can see current core web vital score of your website. Add more websites, check Help Center for instructions, or book an appointment for any help required. Now let's install Website Speedy. Navigate to install Website Speedy in the left sidebar. You can boost your website core web vitals just by following these simple steps. In the first step, to get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check core web vital score. We can do this later too, as explained in FAQ section. For now, we will proceed with improving speed and core web vitals right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I am also going to manually check the score without our tool first, so we can match the updated speed with it afterwards. We will use Google Page Speed Insights, GDT metrics, and ping them. And for this, let's get back to Speedy. Now, here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. You can see the instruction for this specific to your platform by clicking this button in middle 2. For now, click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard, hover to Website, select the website pages, and edit navigate to settings. Go to Advanced and paste script in head handle and update. Once you add the script, click Verify and proceed to step 3. Let's check the updated score here of selected page. And let's check speed and core web vital score on Google Page Speed. GT metrics pinged them to see the difference. And here you can compare old and new score by adding no speedy parameter in end of URL. That's it. You've successfully used Speedy to enhance your website's core web vitals. In sidebar, you can click on Add Site to add your another website. I would recommend you go through the FAQs on the right to understand basic details about how our tool works and how you can check old speed or no speedy tag. That's all for now. You can find installation instructions for other platforms on our channel too. Remember, a faster website means a better user experience and potentially higher conversions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.